In this video, we will show you how to set up Face ID so it will work when you have your mask on. For this, you need to go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, and then tap on Set up an alternative appearance. So here in this setting you can set up a different look of yours. Normally it's for people who have different features, such as when they wear glasses they might look a bit different. But in this case we will set it up to use it with the face mask. And then now you just tap on Get Started, and then you need to take off part of your face mask until it recognizes your face. And best to only use 2 fingers. Once you've done that, just try until the iPhone can recognize a face, and then do the usual face recognition. And once it's done, you can tap on Continue. And then continue in scanning your face with the mask on, and then you can click Done. Now you can go back to the home screen and turn off the phone and try to unlock it with your mask on. And as we can see, it unlocks even though I have my mask on. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.